ML350 oil change, automatic gearbox, oil flushing using Brain B. So what you do, you have two hoses and then you connect them to each side of the gearbox. You'll need two special adapters. So what I used, there was a special adapter, and then at the end I used two old lines from the same car and I cut them and put them into the hose, and then you just plug them into the gearbox to each side. Same on this one as well. And you just wait until it's finished. So far 6.5 flashed, 3.3 still left to be flushed.